Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir. Brothers and sisters. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and let's help grow the platform. Dictators are wherever you want, feel you are, who you feel like you can tell man who for praise or, worship. You don't know, you're mad and you just keep getting madder. Now, I'll tell you now a Duppy story where a man say a Duppy. You know, see, I mean, everybody, when I tell my story, when I get what I expect fear, usually, You see? But that one here is a true story where I come across as a youth. First thing I want to tell you, I have an auntie. I used to have an auntie, late auntie. Asinet McLeod. Married me McLeod. She was Van. Seen? Up in a Batam Grantham, the little before a place named Peckham Crossing in a Clarendon. I can't remember the name of the hill. But the thing with she is that, say at daytime, she love if we go, we're free. A country that you don't know. And nobody not trouble in the district. Everybody know you and them look away there. So, no matter where you go, you could have just come off of the bus today from town. By a morning, anybody see you know say you that I know you everything about you and then sitting there. But then again, every holiday, I do there. Matter of fact, I did my born. My mother got heavily pregnant with me. And she take in for a baby with me. And I did so I not born down there. She live at Kingston, but go down there, go up, Yeah. So my auntie now, for keep me in line, she draw some border. See? She got some boom and she say, you see that hill there? Can't remember what the hill name in the start. See? But the hill cut pan the hillside. The road cut pan the hillside. So the river drop. The river drop down and the river is like a cliff. Cause it's really steep, Kind of can't climb down it like, say, yeah. And imagine that scene. So, let me say one time a bus load of people drop down there. A bus drop off of the road full of people and it drop in the river and just sink and disappear. Scene. And like every 4 o'clock a morning, like the bus used to come 4 o'clock a morning time, come pick up people and them way there. And one morning it drop off down there and just sink in the sinkhole, in the riverbed. When we look down there at daytime, like when you pass and you can get a peep over and them way there, cause we inquisitive as youth, And people over there, we can see rock and sand, really look at that like a big deep hole where anything can go in and go last. Particularly a whole bus load of people. So as a youth, me always wonder how that still, but time after time and everything happen. And when me ask question, my auntie always have an answer and she prepare one for me long before she tell the story because she know me I come back with question. See. So she say time after time, the river come down and full up back the hole. So you can't see the deep hole again, And every morning, 4 o'clock when the bus usually come, you still hear the bus horn blow and you hear it get nearer and nearer, but it never pass. You understand me? Never pass back the wall. When it reach the wall, the arm just stop blow and everything. See? So you have another point now. The next direction, cause I say the bus direction they don't so. And the road continue past our yard go up so. Not like you go Grantham way. See, cause you go up, you come when you have Peckham Cross, so we go up at Peckham. And yeah, you know, Grantham Road gone up. See? So when you go up in a Grantham Road now, little bit round the corner, you have another thing going around there. I remember what the Duppy story was about round there, so but you know, it's a no-go area, whereas after certain hours at night time. Now when me get to realize, you see, after you pass where the bus tragedy is supposed to have happened, you go down the road, you're going at Frankfield town area now, you know? And yeah, and that's everything lively up and I start for go on. Seeing? And the next part now, when you pass another area there, where that Duppy did there, I think it's a woman did some horse business and from slavery time story. So when you pass this, so now you're going on in a built up area of Grantham take time start, you know, from Kill City side, go up there. So, you know, when me a big, when I grew up, you come work out them thing. Yeah. So we used to go to Grantham in the evening time, now all the while. You know, this time I'm going to go down there, you know, when I grew up a little bit. I don't think, I think probably young teenager. See, I have a bigger brother where I am me follow. So that brother they love me, you know, like himself. See, to this day. See, so I'm love him the same to the with you know, like that. Yeah. See, no, I made that go and said. So me and my brother link up now and in the evening there. Me I show my brother say, boy, you know, me a virgin, you know. Still never, you know. My brother gallus. When me say gallus. And man the day that better eye rasta. You know, see. So that evening, that night, you know, him set me up, you know, introduce me and thing like that, and you know, and the girl hang out and thing till it get late. When I say late, you know, I don't remember what time, but road dead, not even dark, not the road, a country. Yeah, me they up in a Grantham, you know. Close to Grantham town, but more like about Kill City side, yeah. So like, yeah. So when me come back down the road now, cause I'm up on a hillside, you know, me and the girl up at the girl yard, you know. When I come back down the road star and I head home. When we reach at the spot. Cause you ever said not even dark there on the road, man, and you know country, like up at Kill City, so you have one street light, one alone in a little square. And no more. You know, see, you wish the light never did it. Cause when you walk through the light, yeah, it get darker again, you know. And everything look darker. But you did have like a moonlight on that particular night, yeah, still. So, me a hustle home. Me alone. I try to go home. Probably about 13, 14. You know? I try to reach back my yard star and my way to my yard. Me alone, you know. See, this woman on the hill banking in a seat. And it's like she had that, like when she see me, she start dance. You know? I say I go for turn back, you know. I stand up there a while and then I contemplate it. Because I don't know who me I go turn back, go to where me I go or nothing like that. Probably go sleep under the street light. You know, see, but the thoughts, well then, my brother will get in trouble. My auntie, I go quarrel and all of them sort of thing there. You know? I said, boy, I'm stuck. So I stand up there and watch the woman a dance. Well afraid, you know, Rasta. blood clean. So after a while, I decided to come and I say, look like, me know she see me still, cause as she see me, she start dance. As me, she just start dancing at the moonlight star, the little moonlight. That's me, I say, Jano, you know look like she gonna hurt me, cause she see me. She could have easily well run down upon me and grab me. Already have something and do what she had to, cause nobody not even care now pass, Furthermore, yeah, not even care the way that, yo. So I decide to boy, me I go home, I've got past the lady and go me yard car, But me come up with a plan. So me I walk down to her harmlessly, Like me don't know what I go on. As soon as me reach in the vicinity of her, me just run, cause she up on the banking, so she'll have to go walk come down in the road for grab me still. See it. So me I say me I just set up a time frame or a space where before she can reach up on the road, me run past and gone anything she have to run me down, And the more she run me down, me I get closer to like civilization and start ball out and make up nice. And people might come out, cause by reach around a Peckham Cross and this, so the house them start. Some house they right a Peckham Cross and this, so somebody must see me and come out start. I tell you some walk go down to her, And just as me I go do what me I say, everything changed, Me realize say it's a big ass cocoa leaf, man, with the dew water upon it and some spider web come down, cause when dew water drop on the spider web them, and the cocoa leaf and things like that, them glisten, and then the little breeze are blowing out, make it look like it's a woman's skirt, a wiggle and she, and the oh, I tell you, say, it's when me realize, say, that I go on, leave you me, man. Me never tell nobody, me never tell me auntie or cousin or nobody. You see, from there, so, it's like, me good with Duppy, see. Anytime, me never be, me not no problem for going where I do what me I do. Cause me realize, nothing really goes up. See. Yeah, man, I'm only experienced that with a Duppy star and me stand up there and head raised and everything and me afraid and a tremble and all I pray. See, cause at them time if you say certain words and the argument if you say certain word you can't cuss bad word, see, cause all that me I plan for do, when me run past and she run me down, me I plan for tear some bad word, As me reach down to her and I go run off, man. Me say, but wait, there's a cocoa leaf that I blow in a breeze there. Big cocoa leaf too, one of the biggest me ever see Rasta. And the spider web them. And not necessarily pan the cocoa tree, but it's true from whisper at me that the whole of them look together like a somebody star, that tell a lie. See, that me never see another Duppy, Never see another one. I hear nothing more about you hear people say all sort of thing. See, another Duppy story after that. My brethren every jet drop out, seeing soldier kill him and thing. So, couple days after, me in I'm bed asleep. In I'm father house and lie down on a bed and I hold some sleep. Bleach out, and tired. I don't know how long me bleach for, but me know tired. See, cause all after I wake up, I'm still tired. See, when I'm dead I'm sleep star, me hear him talk to me. I tell me something. But to me, I'm sleep, me can't, But little by little, me I wake up still, cause me I get more drawn to where I say and thing like that. See? So I go so boop and jump up now and open my eye. I mean, clearly, yeah, I think I get some of the things them where I said to me, but like it, not everything, you know? So anyway, I jump up out of my sleep now and your memory, I tell you everything where just said to you, where you just hear, you know, where the Duppy just saying, or Rasta. And I jump up and walk out a road star. You know, when we go out there, I see some little brethren and sisters sit down on the sidewalk, you know. So I call Steve, brother, and say, you know what happened. Just hear Steve talk to me, you know. Lie down there asleep and him dream me or him come in my dream. him brother couldn't hold it no more. Him bust out a laugh. Him bust out a laugh and tell everybody, say, him come out the window, you know, Rasta. Him come out the window and I talk like him brother. Tommy, I mean Steve, you know, star. The boy them kill me. So the boy them name cat him wicked. Yeah, the man come talk like him brother, you know. Can sound like him brother to you, them can't do it, you know, the one of them. Yeah. You know, see, I tell you, star, John. Yeah. Am I only at the closest them me come to Duppy? I say that from the back away, them say go on down Overly nice school there with the children, them are getting a spirit and all of them sort of sitting there, you know, see. So with that said, hey cat. I don't forget you, yes, I owe you one. Yes, I want to give thanks, respect. I want Duppy story that I